Let's now configure Tomcat users so that we can log in into admin panel and can upload our web application. So to configure Tomcat users, we will need to find where Tomcat configuration files are. Then there is command for that. We can type where is. It's a one word. I'm sorry, I made a typo. Where is, and then space Tomcat 8. And then hit enter, and it shows you some of the folders. So Tomcat configuration files are located in this last folder, which is called users share Tomcat 8. So I'll copy the path to this folder, and I'll do cd and then paste the path to this folder and hit enter. And if I do ls, it will list down folders in Tomcat 8 directory. So I'll need to cd to configuration folder. So I'll do cd conf, hit enter, and list files in this directory. And this is the file that we're looking for, tomcat users.xml. We will need to edit this file. Let's go back to our browser window and try to open Tomcat admin panel again. So I will paste the address 8080 manager HTML, hit enter, and I will, when it prompts me for username and password, I will do cancel, and I can follow the instructions here. It tells me to find Tomcat users XML in configuration file, and then it says that I need to add these two lines into that file. So what I will do, I will use the text editor, which is called V. It's not very convenient, but if you know how to use other text editors, you can use that. So I'll do sudo V, and then I will copy and paste the name of this file that I want to open for editing. So I hit enter now, and using my up and down arrows, I will scroll down the screen towards the end of the file, and here we have the end of the file. It is XML file, so it starts and ends with this Tomcat users. So before the ending tag, here where roles and users are defined, I will need to make some changes. So to enable my file for editing, I will now tap on O character on my keyboard, O. So I hit enter, and now I can insert some of the text. So I will copy role and I will paste it here, and I will copy one of these lines that define username and password. Oh, you know what? Let's actually not copy and edit these ones, but let's go back to our browser window and just copy these two lines that are ready for us to use. So I copy and paste them here. So the role name that we want to configure is manager graphical user interface GUI, and the username we can change it. So we can leave it Tomcat, or we can come up with our own username. So let's change it to manager, and then password. Let's do a simple one, manager dash password. Okay, and this is it. Now I will hit escape button on my keyboard, and then I will type and then WQ and hit enter. And that will edit the file. So if I sudo V, open it in the editor again, and scroll down to see if my changes have been applied, yes, the role and username have been saved. So I'll hit escape again, Q exclamation mark to enter, to exit, hit enter. And for these changes to be applied, I will also restart the Tomcat service. So I'll copy sudo service Tomcat 8, and I'll do restart and hit enter. Tomcat has been restarted now. So I will go to this page again, hit enter, and we'll provide the username manager and the password manager dash password, and hit enter. And here we go. We have successfully logged in into Tomcat Web Application Manager, and here we can upload our application.